Let's talk about our newest update. Voicemail detection has been added to the IVR system for better call routing. This latest update enables businesses to differentiate between answered calls and those directed to voicemail, optimizing call connections and follow up actions. Let's talk about the benefits. First, you're going to have enhanced call handling. You'll be able to detect whether calls are answered by individuals or directed to voicemail. You're also going to have improved customer engagement. You can now customize follow up actions based on call outcomes. You're also going to be able to have streamlined workflows. This is going to allow you to utilize voicemail detection within the workflow builder to create automated sequences. Now let's talk about that practical use. Of course, we just put different type of businesses in here, but really consider this for your own business clients. A small real estate agency uses the CRM voicemail detection feature to automate its call handling process. Now, when a client's call reaches voicemail, the system can automatically send personalized text messages with available appointment slots, ensuring swift follow-up and engagement. Let me show you exactly where this is located. First, you're going to need to go ahead and create a workflow. To do that, go ahead into automation in the main left-hand navigation and then into workflows at the upper navigation. Now you're going to go ahead and click plus create workflow. Now go ahead and start a workflow from scratch. And let's go ahead and start your IVR as the trigger. To do that, you're going to click the plus add new trigger, and then you're going to select start IVR trigger. Now let's go ahead and select that filter. To do that, you're going to select filters, then you're going to choose in phone number, then you're going to go ahead and select that phone number. Now let's go ahead and add the connect call action. To do that, you're going to click on actions. That is going to be that plus symbol that is after your trigger within your workflow. Then you're going to choose connect to call. Now let's go ahead in those settings and trigger the detect voicemail and turn that on. That is under advanced voicemail. Then you're going to toggle on the detect voicemail and don't forget to save the action. Now, the next step that we need to add, again, this is going to be an action. You're going to click the plus button below the action you just added, and we're going to add the action that is called if else. You can simply start to type in if and it's going to come up. Now, let's go ahead and select the IVR Connect call. So under those conditions in that if-else action, you're going to set up the first option as IVR Connect call. Now, let's select Connect call as the status. The next thing we need to do is we need to add an operator. So that is going to be under that call status area you've already selected. And of course that center is going to be the is, and then we're going to select either completed, voicemail, or bust, depending on what you'd like to have in that specific branch. Now let's go ahead to the second branch. We're going to go ahead and select call status. We're going to make sure that is once again is as the center option, and then we're going to go ahead and select voicemail. So this is an overall general view. You can see that trigger coming in. You can see the different actions. You can see where it says condition, that is our if else. We can see the different branches that we've got there. And this is a general overall look of what your workflow is going to look like at that graphic view. By integrating voicemail detection into call workflows, the CRM empowers your business to efficiently manage call connections, personalize follow up actions, and streamline communication processes, ultimately enhancing customer engagement and your workflow's effectiveness. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.